Hello guys, I'm IK and you are watching my channel Encapsulate by IK. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get an updated notifications. Please do like and comment so that we can receive your feedback. So today we are unboxing another sneaker from Nike Air Force One. As you can see from the side of the box, you can see Air Force 107 LV81, which is atmospheric gray and eraser blue in color. So let's unbox. So here you can see another very beautiful Nike Air Force One gray and blue collection. As you can see on a closer look, it's a gray textured leather, a touch of textile. You can see a nylon textile type of a material, a zigzag pattern, and here you can see the blue color Nike tech. From the near you can see a tech, while the Nike logo is somewhat blurred, or you can say it's hidden. So it's the style of this Nike Air Force One, and here you can see the blue zigzag pattern, which will give an additional look to this Nike Air Force One. The color combination is very nice, gray, blue and white material used, while the outer source you can see is dark gray color. So it's like a net material, and the laces are gray. So overall, from the look perspective, the shoe look very nice, and of course Nike Air Force are very comfortable. So these shoes you can wear with your jeans, or in summer season you can wear it with your shorts as well. So a very nice sporty look Nike Air Force One edition. Let's have a closer look. you can see a very beautiful Nike Air Force One atmospheric gray and blue color basketball shoe. The cushioning from the textile, from the net, from the leather, and the color all are perfect. So a very nice shoe in your collection of Air Force One. Hope you like this video. Please give your comments. So until next time, take care. Bye bye.